Your barbecue has 4 casters that make it easy to wheel it around your patio or deck. 2 of the casters have locks so you can make your grill stay put while you use it. The other 2 cannot be locked. When replacing a broken caster, make sure you order the correct style. The casters are made of plastic with a steel post. The post fits into a plastic insert that attaches to the grill's leg. The caster can break, especially if it is wheeled over uneven concrete. Replacing a broken caster is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The non-locking casters will typically be the 2 rear casters on your barbecue. The kit comes with a new insert and a new caster, so I'll be removing this as one unit. To get the clearance I'll need to remove the caster assembly, I'll need to lift the grill up. And to do that, I have a stack of 2x4s about 8 inches tall. I'll remove the caster using a large screwdriver and a rubber mallet. Now I can install the new insert and caster, starting with the insert. And I'll finish up by lifting the grill off of the 2x4s.